there's a lot of mind activity. Okay. And so while we are having a lot of mind activity, a number 11 is significant. We are suggested to speak the truth, 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 speak your truth, speak your truth. When there's a lot of clutter in here, speak your truth and be honest with yourself and keep going and keep going and do it on your own, do it in your own time. Speak to yourself in front of the mirror. Speak to yourself, speak the truth, speak the truth. And for the ones who is fighting other people's light, you're not helping yourself either, because you see, you're going against people, but not because of people. You're going against yourself. Number 11, you're going against yourself. You're battling with yourself in here and in here. And so when you're around people, you're trying to battle with them too. You're trying to go up against them too, and what they say and how they act, you know, and them even giving advice to you. You're going up against all of that. You see, this is where we have to unblock, because we're restricting ourselves. We're blocked already, so why are you blocking yourself even more by not meeting people in the middle with kindness and compassion? You see, I feel like this is a lot of ego and pride getting in the way for a lot of us. And that's why you feel like you're not in flow. You feel like you're not getting to where you need to be. There's some kind of delay. There's some kind of restriction because you're not unblocking yourself and you're not allowing yourself to be unblocked. And what I mean by this is that you're blocked by ego and pride. You're blocked by trauma. You're blocked by judgments and criticisms. And for some, this is a clouded mind. See, this is where we lose ourselves. This is where we lose one another. This is where we lose each other. This is where we lose our community because we're not listening. We're not in the same frequency. Number 11. Not only are we on a different timeline, different frequency, but now we're letting our ego and pride get in the way. Now we're just letting, things get in the way, and it's not of kindness. It's like we're not putting ourselves in the middle and seeing and meeting each other in the middle with kindness and compassion. Know that there is still more empathy. Know that there is still empathy, right? But you got to be in a place of empathy in here for you to actually see it out there. It's overcoming that. But in doing so, you have to be so patient with yourself and to give yourself so much grace, you see. Because a lot of us, we're all in a different frequency. We're all in a different timeline here. So what one is saying to the other, they may not hear what you're saying fully. And follow me when I say that this is us overcoming the psychosis, overcoming the frustration. Oh, it's in the tiniest detail, collective. I'm following the rhythm here. It's overcoming the frustration. It's overcoming the irritation. It's overcoming the ego. It's getting to know the ego and understanding the ego for yourself and understanding why you're letting the ego get to you so much. The unwholesome is being released. Okay? Now, we can stay in the unwholesome, and hear me when I say, we can stay in the unwholesome, or you can transmute it. So a lot of us right now, we're feeling this psychosis, we're feeling this, I'm going crazy in my head, or you're doing something about it by transmuting it. Because there have been a lot of, you see, my mind is going places. Like there's so much going on in my mind. I got 11 again. I also got Psychosis, okay? A lot of us, there's a lot of activity happening in our mind, okay? To be so easy with ourselves. And this is what I mean by be so patient with yourself during this time, because we don't know it, but we're alchemizing. We don't know it, but we're transmuting, okay? And this has been a lot of that heavy, nasty, mean, unwholesome, wicked, evil energies. This is the part where we're being asked to be so patient with our self collective. And hear me when I say we are in the process of alchemizing. Number 11, we are in the process of transmuting